mo.
Yan na.
Sa ilang taon na...
Hoy! Wala bilhin! Magpapakasal na po mo!
Okay, mami, dali. Yan, ganyan.
Oh!
Sa tinagal na. Tanungin mo na maayos. Dayan. Yan.
Hindi ganun, usap na singay! Usapan
Alam
na
niyo ba,
singay! Lola bilhin, no? Bigis sa bride! Ano, kasal na agad? Yan, nanay,
Tanungin mo na
Lola
maayos.
bilhin! Mababawasan lang ang po mong gwapo!
Tanong ka na, dali. Ano ba yan? Nakatipid ka sa engagement rin.
Dito pa nangyari, apat na birthday! Yan, kinikilig na yun!
Na-flash na si Dayan eh.
Tama!
Dali. Will you marry me?
Dali ako lang! Hey, yo!
Sila na kaya lang. O yan.
Yan na!
Okay.
Hiningi ko pa kay Paolo yan.
Baby, I think I wanna marry you. Well, I know this little chapel on the boulevard we can go. No one will know. Oh, come for all the times I felt cheated. I complained. You know how I love to complain. For all the wrongs I repeated, though I was to blame, I still cursed that rain. I didn't have a prayer, didn't have a clue, and then out of the blue, God gave me you to show me what's real. And there's more to life than just how I feel. And all that I'm worth is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. For the times I wore myself beating like a favorite shirt, all wrapped up in that hurt. For every glass I saw half empty, now it overflows like a river through my soul. And every doubt I had, I'm finally free. And I truly believe God gave me you to show me what's real. And there's more to life than just how I feel. And all that